Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to unpin a chat to the top in TikTok. If you've pinned a specific chat and want to remove it from the top position, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Then, select the desired account or chat where you want to unpin the chat from the top. Step 3. Within the chat, locate the three dots menu. This menu is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots to open the Options menu. Step 4. Inside the Options menu, look for the Pin Chat to Top option. Tap on it to disable the pin and unpin the chat from the top position. By following these simple steps, you can remove a pinned chat from the top section in TikTok, allowing for a more flexible and organized messaging experience. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to unpin a chat to the top in TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free messaging experience on TikTok.